Hey y'all! I'm in Mexico, Los Cabos. Now before I'm in Mexico, and I've been here since yesterday. I was gonna hop on here, show y'all me packing, doing all that stuff, going to the airport with y'all, but time got out of control. So now I'm gonna just show y'all the room. Hey y'all, so don't mind the music playing, cause it's a party going on. Okay y'all, so when you first come in, you turn to the bathroom. Hey y'all. Shower. Real nice, real nice. Closet. Clothes are back up in there. Then you turn and don't mind all the clothes, but we just laid out our outfits just to see what we want to wear for the rest of the day. Turn here. Got the little area for the drinks. Turn here, mirror. Then got that over there, and then you come out here to the balcony, and this is our view. So we got the ocean view, and then we got the pool. It's an infinity pool, but you can't see because the trees is right there. So when we go down later, I'll show y'all what it's looking like. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for the room tour and just to show y'all the view, but I'll show y'all more when we get out there. Bye y'all. Alright y'all, so we're all dressed. Show y'all the outfit. This is my outfit. Everything is from Shein except for obviously the shoes. But we're about to go find something to eat and then go to some show or something that they're having out here. I'll get back to y'all when we get to dinner. Alright y'all, so I don't think I updated y'all when we was eating and stuff, but the food was okay. We went to some Sakura place, but it wasn't where they cooking stuff in front of me. Look at you looking. Alright y'all, so I was trying to record in the last clip, but we seen our cousins and stuff, and it was like, yeah, they had walked us back to the room because it was just me and my sister, and it's nighttime and people get crazy. So yeah, we about to wash our face basically because we still got on makeup and we gotta wash it off, and then we getting right into bed because right now it's 9:30 here in Los Cabos, but back at home it's 12:30, so we're tired, and then tomorrow we got a long day ahead of us. I'll bring y'all along for that. Hopefully I remember. If I see her recording, I'll remember to record, but yeah. Alright y'all, good morning. Right now we going to walk down and get some breakfast, and after that then we gotta come back and get in the shower. And then we go ATV ride. Thank God, but no, Deja, we could have went that way.
But remember they said this way was faster?
Please. It's faster if we're coming from this way. We're going that way. We would have been, y'all. Instead of walking on that side, we walked on this side. And we were already on that side.
I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Alright y'all, so we just did the ATV thing, but we couldn't have our phones or nothing, so it was fun. It was like camels, horses and stuff. But hold on, I'm about to show y'all the scenery from what I can show y'all. So this is the scenery. There's a lot of cactus out here, and then before you even go, you gotta walk across this bridge and it shakes and stuff. That was fun. And then when we out there, it was just a lot. I wish I could have just snuck my phone for y'all, but it's alright. Alright y'all, so we just got back to the resort. As you can see, I was asleep on the bus. I am so tired. I don't know why I'm so tired, but I am tired. But we're about to eat. I'll update y'all when we eat because I haven't really been updating y'all when I'm eating. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. I think I lied to y'all because I did not show y'all my food, but y'all, we're in a rush. We had got back at like 4 from the ATV riding or whatever. Then we ate because we was starving, and then now we're in a rush because we gotta all do a group photo at 5:30, and right now I think it's 5. We still gotta get in the shower because we're dusty.
The first lady came down following me. I took it all the way around. By the time I got to the front, I said, when did we get out of this building?
Alright, y'all, now we taking pictures with all white on. So this is my outfit. This is the group outfit. Deja. The boys is getting their picture. The girls over there waiting. Got you. Yep. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we walk into the beach. Everybody walking. My phone is like different. Like, look how dark it looks. Yeah. Oh, the one is pushing me back. Alright, y'all. So after the last clip, we had went to eat. But we didn't eat again because we had just ate at 4:30 and it was no point to eat again. So yeah. Now we're about to go back to the room and just really relax. It's an all-white party going on right now, but I'm not trying to go there. We are a little tired and it's just not my cup of tea. And my man is not here, so I won't be partying. So this is what the all-white party is giving, and it's just a bunch of people with all white on, and I will absolutely not be here. Call me a party people, call me what you want, but I won't be there. Your lights going? Yep, we're going to bed. In the bed. Alright, y'all, so just got dressed. This is the fit. This top is from Shein. Got a bathing suit on from Shein. And these shorts from Deja. And then this bag, I got this from the shoe store at the mall. Here by Demaya. These earrings and stuff. I don't remember. Shoes. I don't remember. That's the fit. We're about to go eat breakfast, and then I don't know what else we're doing today. Probably just chilling by the pool or something. I'll keep y'all updated. Bye. Look at the birds. Alright, y'all, so they just went up to go get their food because they gotta get omelets and stuff, and I don't eat eggs, so I just let them go because it's gonna take them forever, and I'm gonna stay and watch the table. Alright, y'all, I just got my food. And this is what it's looking like. Hash browns, bacon, pancakes, Deja. It's good. And they're all eating. Alright, y'all. Just finished eating. Clear the plate.
My glass face or whatever out there too.
Alright, y'all, change of plans. Deja wants to race me for this nasty drink, so
A little bit more, a little bit more. Throw up. Let's see.
yeah. One.
Again, like,
I'm gonna throw up. Give me that cup. Put that cup back over there. No, drinking the rest. She won. Asian won. Alright, y'all, so now we walking back to the room.
Wait, where'd y'all
We got
get towels?
Chase. Oh, we're just getting towels, y'all. Never mind. Hold on, because I got the card.
No. Oh, you got to. Y'all got the other
Oh, y'all don't have it.
Hello. Hi. Yep. Thank you. You know how to swim? Are you gonna learn? Alright, y'all, so we got our towels. Now we by the pool. Let me show y'all the view, because I don't think I showed y'all. Yeah, you can, if that's what you want to do. Y'all, this is the pool area. And I'm going to go over there and show y'all, but it's a mountain and it's a nice big view. But alright, y'all. I'm going to come back to y'all probably either when we're sitting in the pool. I don't know how long we're going to be down here, but I'm going to come back to y'all. Alright, bye.
A few minutes later.
Alright, y'all, so I had saved a little boy from drowning. Literally. And then I was cold because I had to sit up here. I wasn't trying to get in the water, but I just seen him like literally fighting for his life. And Deja was in the pool. She was trying, but she can't, like, you can't, it's hard to run in the water. So I just started running to the little pool. And I grabbed them up out of the water. And yeah. But at this point, I think I'm going to be a lifeguard because every year I'm saving somebody. But I'll get back to y'all when we're doing something. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. They playing volleyball right now. Let me show y'all. Just in the pool playing volleyball. I was just in there, but y'all, it's cold. We about to just sit down underneath the thing. Y'all, we're in Mexico, right? My grandma just came to us talking about her TV's not working because it's speaking and all she has to do is either go up or down on the channels and find an English. Now say cheese. Old people, I tell ya. Alright, y'all, so we about to go back to the room and relax, get in the bed. We've been outside since I feel like 8:30, 9 o'clock this morning. And y'all, it's pushing 2 o'clock. It's hot. Oh. Let's drink to that. Alright, y'all, so I just put on another outfit. Got on the shorts, got on the shirt, and we about to go get something to eat. I know every time I come to this vlog, it's like, dang, y'all eating again? Yeah, we are eating again. Alright, y'all, we're about to go eat breakfast, so good morning. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Absolutely not. We're about to eat breakfast and then we're supposed to go on some boat thing where we see the bottom of the water and all that stuff. I'll keep y'all updated, hopefully. Alright, bye. Alright y'all, so we just finished eating and I'm just going back to the room because one, I forgot my cup, and two, my sister's up there, so I gotta make sure that girl is good. We're in Mexico with the cartel. It's like, nah, but for real. This is how I was trying to vlog for y'all like all the time, but it's a little awkward when everybody around looking at you. I'm carrying my camera to eat breakfast and people are just staring at me because they see a camera. I'm not even vlogging. Like, for real, not too much. What you doing? It's like that. Alright, y'all, so bathing suit from Fashion Nova. This is from Fashion Nova too. Oh, actually, this whole outfit is from Fashion Nova. And I'll probably link the stuff below. Then these shoes, my little got them for me. Then this bag is from the shoe department thing.
No, you know where they go?
No. No. Appreciate it.
No, thank you.
Guys, I'm next in the line.
Later tomorrow, my name is Angelica.
Okay, tomorrow.
Angelica, the blue umbrella.
Tomorrow.
Thank you, no confuse, Angelica.
Angelica. Okay.
Alright, y'all, we just came down to the
Not
beach.
today. I already spent some. Tomorrow.
As you can see,
All
they
right.
are. I'm gonna show y'all the view and the mountains and stuff because I don't think I showed y'all yet, so hold on. Alright y'all, so we're here at the boat place now. We're all walking up. As you can see in the background, this is the boat. We're gonna see.
But I'm going to show you the ones I have with the same capacity for the whole group. Okay. For example, I got glass bottle boats.
Alright y'all, we're on the boat. Everybody got on life vests. Y'all, we eating a fish. Look. Off the boat now. We're all walking to the shop, and I'll probably update y'all when we get back to the resort because my phone is on 9 and I don't have my charger. Alright y'all, we're back. We're about to get something to eat, and after that I need to go upstairs and put my phone on the charger because I'm on 3, but I had to update y'all. Thank you. Alright, see y'all. Alright, y'all. Right now we're trying to find our way out to the paint part. I feel like we're going the wrong way because it got quieter. We lost. everything like utsa, 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 utsa music. What is that? Well, guys, on our way to the pool. To sit by the pool, look pretty, take pictures, I guess. And yeah. Alright, y'all, we're by the pool now. Just sitting here and relaxing. Alright, y'all, we're about to go back in and just chillax. Or they just said she's hungry again, so we might get something. But we gotta change our food. Yeah, we do gotta change our food. They're gonna tell me that this is a couple. Cause I'm out of here. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all. Hold on. Walking back to the room. Y'all, I'm getting more comfortable vlogging in front of people because they don't know me and I don't care that they see me holding up this camera. They gonna stare, but it's okay. Y'all, we're leaving. Give y'all a little overview again because I think I already did that. You already went outside? Yeah. Let me show y'all the view one last time. We just got to breakfast. It's 7:07. Let's see what I'm eating. Got French toast, got pancakes, hash browns, and bacon.
You want that?
No, but pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice.
The French toast is good, but it could have been cooked a tiny bit more, I'm not gonna lie. But the outside, the inside is a little bit chewy. Burn. Alright, y'all, I'll get back to y'all either when we're done. I just feel like after we get done eating, we gotta go back up to the room and get our bags. And then after that, we gotta check out. So it's not much for me to film for y'all. I had to come back to the camera, y'all, because my sister just came back with her French toast and stuff, and she had Nutella on and stuff, so I just wanted to try it. And it's actually pretty good. Just ready for the
Your kingdom is here, Señor. Thank you. Gracias. Gracias por este precioso grupo. Te pido que lo lleves con bien, lo traigas con bien y derramos sobre ellos bendiciones sobreabundantes. Thousands of blessings for them. In the name of Jesus Christ. Bye bye.
Y'all, that was just a little Spanish prayer. But we're on the bus, ready to go to the airport.
Obviously, we're here in Mexico and it's hot out, and it's going to take a few minutes to organize whatever it's going to take to organize. So let's do this. Please open those vents over your seats and close all the window shades. The goal now is to try to keep the aircraft as cool as possible. In a few minutes, our A-Station people will come back to the aircraft and with maintenance, and I'll have some idea of what will happen next. I will tell you this, it's not going to happen quickly. So just hang tight. As soon as I get more information, I'll let you know. You certainly can use your cell phones if you wish. But let's let maintenance and station personnel get out here, and then we'll get an update on if this is a 5-minute fix, a 5-hour fix, or whatever it's going to be. So just hang tight. Thank you.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we know many of you are making connections out of Charlotte. We're going to ask you, please hold your questions. Flight attendants don't have the resources or the ability to do anything about your connections at this point. The agents here.
Well, y'all, we gotta stay in Mexico another night. We leave in the plane, but we really ain't go nowhere. We was just sitting on there for 3 whole hours. On the plane now, but this was the next day. We ended up having to stay in Mexico another night. This is us on the plane, and the turbulence was bad. They put us back on the same faulty plane. The turbulence was bad, and this is just our experience. Never again.
Arrived into Philadelphia and your bags are not here, that eliminates you from standing in the long line. Delayed claims are made. You can request your bags to be held for pick up here at the baggage claim office, or for the baggage claim office to set up delivery to have your bags delivered to the address provided in the claim. For passengers whose flight was canceled and never left Philadelphia, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, y'all. So right here, basically, we just got off the plane. We're back in Philly, and so we're going to get our bags or whatever, like you usually do. And what do you know? Our bags were switched with another flight's bag, so they were left in Charlotte, and now we don't have our bags. So that's what we're dealing with. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I never did an outro, but more videos, more vlogs, more everything to come.